The following graph shows the production of Ambalal and Company in metric tons for the given years. Refer the graph to answer the questions that follows. Now this is the graph where here we are given the years from 93 to 97 and here we are given the production in metric tons. Now the first question is, what is the average annual percentage growth rate of production from 1993 to 1997? Now we'll use the formula greater minus small upon small into 100. Now here from 93 to 97, in 93 it was 200 and in 97 we can say it's around 280. So on putting the values we get 280 minus 200 upon 200 into 100. On solving we get 80 upon 200 into 100. This will get cancelled out. This is 40. Now since they have asked the average, so we'll divide this 40 by 4. So the answer is 10%. So the correct answer is A, 10%. In which of the above mentioned years is the growth in production maximum as compared to the previous year? Now we have to find out the year in which the growth in production maximum as compared to the previous year. So from the graph it is clearly seen the maximum growth is in year 1996 as compared to the previous year. So a correct answer is B, 1996. What is the average production in metric tons of all the 5 years approximately? So now we have to find the average production. So we'll add the production in all the years divided by 5 since we are given 5 years. So starting with year 1993 it is 200 plus in 1994 it is around 250. Then in 1995 it is 260 plus 1996 it is 370 we can say, plus in 1997 it is 280 again. So the whole divided by 5. On solving we get, adding all the values, the answer will be 1360 divided by 5, which is equal to 272. Now the nearest option is 270. We can say this is nearly equal to 270. So a correct answer is D, 270. The ratio of number of years in which the production was below the average for the 5 years to the number of years in which it was above the average approximately. From the previous answer we got that the average was 270 approx. Now we have to find the ratio between the number of years when the ratio was below average production and upon above average. So average is 270. In 1993, 94 and 95 we have it below average, and for the 2 years 96 and 97 it is above average. So 3:2. So correct answer is D, 3:2.